What is up, my beautiful human beings? My name is Brooke. If this is your first time on my channel, click that subscribe button to join this family we have built here on YouTube. And I post beauty and lifestyle related videos weekly, so that's another bonus. But for today's video, we're gonna do a makeup tutorial on this look right here. I picked up a pigment from, or I should say a liquid shadow from Stila recently. It is this gorgeous pigment that has like a blue and a purple and a pink hue to it. It is super iridescent. It is so beautiful, so I wanted to create a look that kind of brought out all of those tones in this shadow today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, we are so close to 600 subscribers, so it would mean the world to me if you guys shared my videos with your friends or your family or on your social media or with anyone who you think would enjoy them, because let's try to get to 600, you guys. We are so close. We can do this as a squad. We've got this. That would mean a lot to me, and now let's jump into Let's jump into today's video. Yo, I can't lie right now. I look some type of way, okay? I look crazy. What's good, y'all? What's good? Okay, so today, you know the drill. We're putting makeup on and I'm gonna tell you how I'm doing it while you watch me doing it. That's what we're doing today. Okay, so for today's video, we're switching it up a little bit. I already have one eye done and I'm gonna be showing you how I do the other eye. I'm gonna go in and put my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on my eyelid as primer today. And I'm just going to apply that and then blend that in with my finger. I'm just going to go in and line up tape onto my outer corner just to help make my eyeshadow have a nice crisp line. Okay, so the only palette I will be using for my eyes today is my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette. So I'm going to be going in with the shade Gossip into my crease. I'm using my M433 brush by Morphe to apply the shadow, and I'm just going to lay it down and then blend it out into the crease using circular and windshield wiper motions. I'm going to be going in with the shade Sketch and a fluffy blending brush. This is just by Too Faced. And I'm going to go in and apply that to my outer corner and my crease. I'm going to be starting to focus the shade on the upper portion of my crease, because I am going to be going in and concealing the lid after this. If I focus this too far down in my crease, then I'm going to conceal most of it away. So I'm focusing on tilting my brush upwards into my crease and then moving it back and forth, just so that I am getting more in that upper crease area rather than the lower area of the crease. And now all I'm going to do is go back in with this fluffy brush that has the Gossip shade on it, but I'm not going in with any additional product. I'm just using this to slightly blend out that purple shade that we laid down, just so that it transitions nicely from the purple to the pink. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is go in back with my my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to start to cut out my crease with this. But I'm going to go in and take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and my Morphe M224 brush, and I'm going to put a slight bit of this concealer onto my lash line, and then, like I said, I'm going to look up, and that will be where I'm going to be cutting my crease, because that will be where my new crease is supposed to be. So now that I have that crease cut out, I'm going to go in with the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Sea Siren. I'm just going to go in and start to apply this onto my lid with the applicator. I'm going to dip back into that Sketch shade and just apply that right on the border where the shadow and my crease meet, just to sort of clean that line up and create more of a more defined, nice shape. I am going to go back in with that Sketch shade once more and just fill in this outer corner out here to create more of that half cut crease shape, and just pat and blend back and forth very lightly. So now I'm going to go in and mix these two blue shades together right here. This one is Aquadisiac by MAC and this one is Mermaid by Makeup Geek, and I'm just going to go in and put those in between the purple and the lid shade that we have going on here. I am just doing this to help bring out the teal shades in this liquid pigment or liquid shadow that we have on the lid, and I am just going to go and pat these on and blend them out. I'm going to go back in with the Stila shadow and just tap some over top of that blue shade because it's too matte and it breaks it up too much. I want this shade to kind of be all over the lid, but also putting that blue down and then tapping this over helps to bring out the blue in the pigment because it is over that blue shadow, whereas where I have it closer to the pink shadows, you can see it pulls off more of a pink color. That's why I love this shade so much because you can really kind of use it and manipulate it to bring out the colors that you want it to bring out, which is pretty sick, bro, pretty sick. So now what I'm going to do is go in and line my lash line, or I should say do wing liner. I'm going to be taking my Morphe gel liner in the shade Slate, and I am going to go in and do a wing with this. I'm just going to be going in with a little Morphe brush, and like I said, I'm just going to do some wing liner. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and finish off the rest of my face. So I'm super excited for today's video for me to show you my face routine because last video I did, it cut off and I wanted to show you the new products I had picked up, and I used a bunch of new products in that video. So for today, I'm going to go in and prime with my Becca First Light Priming Filter. Normally I would be going in with a mattifying primer, however, I'm just going to be taking my makeup off right when I'm done with this video, so there's really no point. I'm just being real with you guys. Gotta keep it real on my channel, you know, no fake shit. So for foundation today, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Foundation, which I absolutely love already. I've only used this a handful of times, but it is so full coverage and it doesn't feel too mattifying even though it is a matte foundation, and it just really makes my skin look like 10 out of 10. So I'm just gonna go in and dot this all over my face for my foundation today, and then I'm gonna go in and blend it out with my Morphe M433. Just kidding, that's an eyeshadow brush. Now I'm just gonna go in and blend that out with my Morphe M439 brush. This is my favorite foundation brush. Get it if you don't have it, because it's so good. I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to put this around the normal areas you put concealer. So I'm going to put some around my eyes here, focusing most of this on that inner corner there where I have most of my darkness, and then I can blend it out. I'm just going to put a couple dots down the center of my face, and I'm just going to be blending that out with my Morphe E8 brush. And then I'm just going to go in with a little bit of my cream bronzer and apply this to my face using my Sigma F84 angled kabuki brush. Alright, so now we're going to go in and set the face. So to set my under eye, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm going to be mixing these two shades together right here to set my under eye, and then to set my face I'll be going in with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder. Now I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm going to bronze the perimeters of my face with this. If you watch my videos regularly, I'm sure you know what blush I'm going to be going in with next, but I'm going to be going in with my Flamingo Blush by Sonia Kashuk. I love this stuff so much. It is one of those products that I've fallen back in love with. It is just such a beautiful, brightening, rosy pink blush, and it just really, really brings the face to life. For highlight today, I'm going to be going in with the Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Uranus. I'm so immature, I'm sorry. And I am going to be putting this on the high points of my face. As you can see, this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous golden highlight, which is like literally the size of my face. Like, this is the biggest freaking highlight I've ever had. It's huge. Technically, it's not even mine. I got it from my mom for Christmas because she's obsessed with Jeffree Star, but I'm gonna go in and generously highlight my face with this, spraying my face beforehand with my MAC Charge Water. Moving on, I am going to very lightly go in with my Morphe R2 brush and slightly blend over that highlight. Just because I did apply it more on the heavier side today, I want it to blend nicely with the blush. I don't want there to be any separation, so I'm very lightly just going to go in between my blush and my highlight there. Okay, what is next on the agenda? I'm gonna go in and finish off the eyes. I'm gonna be going into my Jaclyn Hill palette and taking the very first highlight shade because it has a nice pink undertone to it. It's not too warm, and it'll really pull out the pink in the eye that we have in the eye. That sounds weird. It'll pull out the pink tones in the eyeshadow that we have on today. So I'm just gonna go in with a flat shader brush and apply that to my brow bone and my inner corner to highlight. Alright, and now I'm gonna go in and highlight the center of my face because I forgot to do that and I feel like I look bald. Just kidding. I feel like I look a little flat, so I'm just gonna go in and highlight. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in and apply mascara, and for lashes today, I'm gonna go in with my Ardell 817 Faux Mink Lashes. For mascara, I will be using my Benefit Bad Gal Bang. You guys know how much I love this. I've been using it all the time lately, and it is just A1 steak sauce. I just don't love these lashes. They're not doing anything for me. So, with that being said, before these stick on too much, I am going to stick with what I know. And what I know is that I love the Tarte Man-Eater lashes. I'm just going to pop these lashes on. They're just so wispy and so voluminous. I love them so much. So what I'm going to do is go back into my full spectrum palette, and I'm going to be taking that Gossip shade once again that we used in the beginning and just buffing that out onto my lash line just to really enhance the pink tones in this look. I'm going to go in with some mascara. I'm just going to pick my Bad Gal Bang back up and put a nice coat of this upon the lower lashes. So now to finish off the lips, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Catfight, which is just a super, super vivid pink. I'm going to be tapping this lipstick onto my lips because I don't want the full pigment, I just want a wash of pink on my lips. I'm just going to go over that with my Dose of Colors Goals Lip Gloss. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed creating this look for you. I think it's very glowy and bright and colorful and just fun for springtime. I think this would be great for a festival because it has that like kind of like flowy, glowy, I don't know. It's fun. It's a good look. So if you try this look out, please tweet me, tag me, DM me. I will have my social media link below. I'd love to see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel and join the squad we have got going here on YouTube. And don't forget to leave comments down below on what you want to see next or what your favorite part of the video is or anything. Feel free to comment down below and I would love to comment back to you guys and just talk, you know, get to know each other a little bit. That completes today's video and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace up, A-Town down. Today, can you focus on me? That in my crease, oh my god. To help to bring out that blue, and I just kicked my camera, my tripod. Stila shadow. And apply this to my face. I almost said Morphe.